What's up, everybody on Facebook? Heading to Red River Motorcycle Trails in the morning. Raptor 700 Big 3 versus TRX 700XX with the old Big 3. Parker, which one you want to ride first tomorrow? The Raptor? Hell yeah. I figured. I'll ride this one. This is more for like a Papa quad anyways. Y'all want a little sound check? The 700 sounds pretty good. Both fuel injected, obviously. Both power commanders. Let's hear it, Yamaha. A little quieter for sure. I got the baffle in mind. Yamaha got a lot more cojones on it. A lot more cojones behind the Yamaha, it sounds like. The 700XX and the Raptor 700 battle today. Shoot. Dry riverbed. Does it cancel out? We're not allowed to ride down there, but it also says no racing. So if we race down there, does it cancel out? Come in the shade. There you go. You like it better?
It's heavier. It holds in the ground better. With you on this, it's even heavier, but that one's a lot lighter. You on it, it holds down.
Yeah.
Me on there, not as much. This one doesn't even come up with me, really.
You like the ride better?
Anything with that.
Yeah. Well, this one's
turning.
This one's wider too.
It jumps a bit, but it feels better.
You like it better? Yeah.
It feels lighter.
Dude, the pushing that?
Oh, for sure.
It's broke in. The other one ain't broke in yet. You get the key off, right?
This thing's just so warm.
Yeah, I know. What's the temperature say?
Temperature? What do I check?
Right there between your legs on the...
Oh, 212.
So you're thinking you like the 700 better?
I don't know about better, but it's
more comfortable.
Different. It's a lot. There's better things about it.
Maybe that's what confused me, because like you said, the Raptor is a lot lighter. I started ripping on that Raptor. It felt like a hell of a lot faster, but it also...
like this one's obviously heavier, and you on it, it's going to stay down. Me on it, I'm lighter.
Yeah.
Being on that one...
bounces you around more.
Like this one doesn't do that.
Right.
It's like a weight balance thing.
Well, that's the thing, is that if a thing kicks you over here, it's going to kick your Raptor like this. This suspension eats it. It's just smoother.
I like how it sits.
See how you can tilt it like that? You can't do that on that.
Like how you see like
Yeah.
one side go down, but the other one will stay up.
So remember when you almost tipped the Raptor on that one thing?
Yeah.
It would have been easier on that.
Like on that, I have to like get to the side, kill it, walk it
Yeah.
down it.
Remember, they both got reversed.
Only reason I had no trouble is just because you had a different angle at it. That angle?
Yeah, we had to make that turn.
Doing it, it's rough.
That's your reverse. Same as the Raptor. First gear, pull that up, hold it, and downshift.
Got it.
I don't know, guys. This 700 feels a lot faster, and that I can just chase him down. When I'm on that and he takes off on this, I can't chase him down. You're going to go first, second, and third. Hard. You see that stick sticking out? That's the finish line. Don't go around a blind corner all crazy. When I say go, you go, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Get a little feel for it. Get a little feel for it, man. This sand's funny. It's gonna be moving you everywhere. You take off, let out of the throttle a little bit. It was spinning too much. Let out of the throttle, hey, and put your butt back on the back, get traction. Yeah, let's see you do it again. Instantly you felt like you were in a lot more control.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is fucking ridiculous fast. I don't even know where we can race. Here, like in the alleyway. Clutch on here is so smooth.
Dude, I know it's like one finger, huh?
One finger, dog.
One finger, easy. One, two, three. A little faster. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Man, that Raptor is no comparison.
Damn, you heard it.
Ridiculous.
All these Honda guys are going to tell me how clapped out the 700 is. I know that's all I'm going to hear. It's a situation over here. I assume that cooler was run over, bro. It might be underneath somebody's side-by-side, dog. Well, guys, if we're talking which one was faster, I think you all seen that. Which one was more comfortable? Maybe the TRX. Which one did they feel more comfortable on? Maybe the TRX. Which one gives you less fatigue? Maybe the TRX. The Raptor, do you get done riding it, guys, your old shoulders and elbows feel like something's been trying to tear your arms off. Like you've just been holding on for dear life to a set of handlebars, and that's pretty much how she feels. If I could only have one, it'd be the Raptor. I'm a Yamaha guy. Plus I mean, That wasn't even close, dudes. And the sand, that's where the 700s are supposed to be. So don't, you know. And for you guys with your 450s, it would have been worse. First and second would have been the same way. Third would have been worse. It would have been worse. So I appreciate y'all. Lots more videos coming up, guys. Waiting on that lift for the Z50 so we can finish up that custom Z80 build. And lots of others going on the channel, guys. We appreciate you. Be sure and get up in there. Give us a like and subscribe. And share these videos to your friends, guys. I appreciate it.